Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to deposit money into your Firstrade account. If you don't have a Firstrade account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Accounts. On this page, you will see a section for account balances. Beside it, you will see a Deposit Funds button. Click on the Deposit Funds button. Now on this page, select the deposit method, whether through electronic funds, check, or wire transfer. In this video, we selected electronic funds or ACH. Click on the method you wish to select. After that, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Then if you wish to repeat this transaction, click on the tick box beside Recurring. If you click on Recurring, select how often you wish to repeat this. To select, click on the drop-down arrow. Then click on the option you wish to select. After that, click on Preview. Now review the following details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Submit. That's how to deposit money into your Firstrade account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.